Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can check vendor ID in an iPhone. For that, guys, open your App Store, type My Device ID. So, vendor ID or My Device ID, how to check that? Just type My Device ID. So, you can get different apps, My Device ID by AirBridge, My Device ID by Apps Flyer. Just try to get My Device ID by AirBridge. So it will give you the device ID of your iPhone. Now it is starting to download. Now click on open. It has now downloaded. The iOS is 18.1.1, the iOS version which we have. It's an iPhone. You can check advertising ID. You can check the vendor ID here. You can check the external IP address. Hope I like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.